My name is Garen and I am an NHS finance apprentice, currently in the first year of my apprenticeship on the Cymhwyster Morgannwg Health Board. I chose to become an NHS finance apprentice as it handed me the opportunity to work, earn and learn all at the same time and offered me the chance to develop some key skills such as working alongside experienced finance professionals and gave me the ability to understand the ways that businesses operate from a financial viewpoint. Since joining the Trust in September 2021, I've been able to enjoy lots of staff benefits, make use of the adaptable working hours, and gain access to a number of the helpful support networks, aiding and assisting my development. The apprenticeship works on a 3-year basis, including 2 separate 6-month secondment opportunities, therefore allowing all apprentices to build a broader skill set and give the opportunity to enhance their knowledge on the wider public sector finance industry. The educational side of the project works extremely well, I think, as all apprentices have a study day each week, ensuring that we are all able to attend all of our college lessons and are able to keep up to date with our own personal studies, ensuring that we are all fully prepared for our exams that take place throughout the academic year, allowing for consistent progress and understanding. After completion of the apprenticeship programme, I aim to gain submission to the NHS Finance Academy's graduate scheme, where I will be able to continue and further my studies with ACCA. This will then allow me to gain a full-time role as a qualified chartered accountant within NHS Wales, allowing me opportunities to develop and progress up the ladder within the NHS. Some of the advice that I would give to someone thinking about applying to become an apprentice would be to take a proactive outlook on this opportunity, beginning by researching the skills required for the role and showing yourself in the most proactive and positive light possible, highlighting maturity and enthusiasm with this opportunity. Be enjoyable, interesting and eye-opening. Thank you.